Welcome to R3 Tech. This is Ritesh Srinivasan. In this video, I'll be discussing about applications of artificial intelligence in the field of agriculture. There is an increased need for food production to feed the people of the world. Farmers are facing various challenges like unpredictable climate change, pests, then you have herbicide resistant weeds, soil conditions, etc. So I'll be discussing some use cases and the 8 innovative companies which are working on these use cases to help the farmers. The link for these companies are put in the description. If you are new here and if you like such videos, please subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Terra Sentia is a robot from a company called as EarthSense. This robot uses a combination of sensors, which includes cameras, LiDAR, GPS, and other onboard sensors to autonomously collect data on plant characteristics like health, physiology, and stress response of the plant. Now, how does this help the farmers? It helps in improving the quantity, accuracy, cost, and speed of in-field plant trait data collection, basically the properties of the plants, especially for under canopy traits, basically, which cannot be visualized from aerial data. So you have to actually go on the ground and look at the plants. Okay, so this particular company has a unique data set. Basically, from this data set, uh, by observing the plants, you could measure things like stem width, plant height, leaf area index, and other properties of the plants. And they have deployed this robot in corn, soybean, wheat, sorghum, vegetable crops, orchards, and vineyards. So this robot kind of helps the agriculturists in identifying the properties of their plants. Worldwide, there is a problem of herbicide resistance. Okay, so you have weeds, which are plants which grow and which are not really useful to the farm. They are actually troublesome for the farmers, right? So farmers spray herbicides for these weeds, but what happens is that over a period of time, these weeds have developed herbicide resistance. So if you look at this figure, a lot of cases of weed resistance are present in countries like China, US, right? So there is a huge amount spent every year. For example, dollars 25 billion is spent every year on herbicides. There are 3 billion pounds of herbicides being used. There are 250 species of resistant weeds. Okay. Um, so what happens is that fighting these weeds actually hurts the farmers' crops and their profitability. This is where this company, Blue River Technology, has come up with a solution called as See and Spray. So what happens is that there is this attachment which is attached to a tractor or a vehicle, farm vehicle, and in this attachment there are a lot of cameras which are present, and these cameras monitor the plants, and then there are algorithms to specifically identify the weed and spray herbicides only selectively to the weeds, right? Similarly, this technology also allows farmers to target fertilizers and other nutrients for the plants by spraying it directly to the plants. So this solution uses computer vision and artificial intelligence to detect, identify, and make management decisions about every single plant in the field. This is quite revolutionary because each individual plant can be identified as whether it is a crop or it is a weed, and herbicides are applied only to the weed, thereby saving up to 90% of herbicide costs as well as the quantity, right? And in this way, your other food crops are protected, and this helps in management of weeds. So this solution makes use of computer vision to identify or classify between weeds and food crops. So previously we looked at solutions which sprays herbicides to weeds. But this solution from FarmWise is a slightly different solution in the sense that this solution is actually an automated way of removing the weeds. So if you have these organic farms where there is a chemical free option, basically you don't use any chemicals in the organic farms, there this FarmWise has this automated robot. What it does is that it selectively identifies using computer vision, it identifies which is the weed and which is not a weed, and it removes the weed in a similar manner to a human being. Okay, so what happens is that farmers don't require labor to remove these weeds because agriculture labor is high in demand, but there is a scarcity of labor people for doing this work, and it also saves cost, and this solution is able to move at a faster rate. It could cover anywhere between 10 to 50 acres in a day, right? And this company claims that they have 20 million crop data and they have state-of-art AI algorithms to detect between, weeds versus food crops like leafy greens, cauliflower, and broccoli. And field data is given back to the growers to optimize the forecasting process. Then there is this solution from a company called as Intellinair. So this is about smart farming together. So they have a solution AGFRI, which is a cognitive AI platform built for agriculture. It uses machine learning, computer vision, and high resolution imaging to deliver a complete and uninterrupted view of every acre and every field from planting to harvest. Okay, so how does this solution work? So it uses proprietary patented technology to collect and analyze data from numerous sources. So they gather high resolution aerial images, temperature readings, humidity measurements, rainfall, soil samples, terrain type, equipment utilized, planting rates, and a lot of other features, right? Then they harness the power of hyperspectral analysis, computer vision, and deep learning in order to identify patterns and build a complete and precise situational representation for every monitored field for the entire growing season. Okay, then they use this data to uncover newer patterns, right? So they can identify, as the system trains on more data, it becomes stronger and smarter and more effective. It can easily identify abnormal crop conditions long before the human eye can detect, and also track their progress from week to week. In this way, they can generate alerts in a timely manner, which can allow the farmers to be more proactive and take real-time decisions on their fields. So the farmer can see what happens every week, which is visualized using overlays of high resolution field images, and this is delivered through a mobile app, through a mobile interface. So it is about smart farming using different technologies and collecting the data, and then discovering patterns in the data, and then you can identify abnormal crop conditions and so on. So the previous solution was for outdoor farming. Now there is this interesting solution from a company called as AGI. This is for indoor farming, right? So what they do is that they have smart sensors and smart cameras which are capturing every moment of the plant growth in an indoor setting. Okay, you have these indoor farms or greenhouses, right? Then they have a device on edge device which is connected to all these sensors, which has intelligence to identify the various stages of the plant growth, and then based on that it makes certain decisions or autonomous changes to the growth factors. They also have control over the lighting as well. So this they have this lighting which can actually emit different spectrum depending upon the requirements of the plants, right? So this is a very interesting solution because in indoor farming, a lot of success of farming depends on multiple parameters like humidity, the amount of water required for the plant, the nutrients, the light, right? And in this, using this solution, you can actually autonomously manage an indoor farm or an indoor greenhouse, right, for indoor plants. They also have a app which they call as SAM, which is a senior plant scientist, agriculturalist, and dedicated farm manager, right? So basically, it can, as a scientist, what this app does is that it is able to, monitor continuously the biological process of the plants and alerting to any potential issues that could affect the harvest of the crop, right? And it has a lot of farming experience which you can which it gives in the forms of recommendations, and you know it is responsible for overseeing the crops from planting to harvest, ensuring growth factors are fully optimized, basically lighting, nutrients, airflow, etc. It also provides alerts like a farm manager, and since it is an autonomous system, it is 24/7, so it can communicate any problems that arise and also offers solution. So this is very interesting, you know, technology and solution from this company for management of indoor farms. Again, in the space of indoor farms, you have certain robots from this company called as Root AI. So these robots are able to visually detect the fruits and understand whether the fruits are ripe and ready to pick, even in highly complicated or cluttered growing environments. And it also removes the vegetables or the ripe fruit without even leaving a single mark. It also has intelligent motion for moving around inside of a plant, which requires a gentle touch, so that they have sensors which sees the world in full 3D, and it can use this information for navigating in the indoor farm. So this is the kind of vision of the company. So they say that we believe tomorrow's farms won't look like the endless outdoor crop rows we remember, and that the security and quality of our food will no longer be limited by an increasingly unpredictable climate or access to land. Instead, you can have hyper efficient indoor farms which will grow delicious and chemical free produce. So at Root, they are on a mission to create intelligent robots that will help growers build the farms of the future. So this is about, indoor farming and, using robots to collect your harvest, right? Coming back to the outdoor farms, there is this company called as One Soil. What this company does is that it makes use of satellite images which are available from the European Space Agency, has a satellite program called as Copernicus. So this particular solution uses the satellite images to do things like identify the boundaries of a farm, identify what kind of plants are grown in a certain or what kind of crops are grown in a certain field. They have this nice website which shows that what is the total size of fields in the countries which they have mapped currently, and they have ranked it by the size over here. For example, if you say USA, you have 173 million acres of farms, right? And the top crop which is grown in the world as per their mapping is maize, right? And then you have wheat and so on, right? So they are using these satellite images to identify what are the crops which are grown in the farm. They also have sensors placed in the farm which measure things like like phosphorus, nitrogen of the land, and then provide suggestions to the farmers to, for utilization of fertilizers. They also provide weather forecasts to the farmers. They are also able to use these satellite images to track the various stages of the growth of a plant, and then provide appropriate suggestions to the farmer, so that they can start earlier application of fertilizers, or they can take corrective actions for their plants. So this is a very interesting solution from this company called as One Soil. So there is another company called as Fasal. How this company works is that they have an AI powered IoT platform or Internet of Things platform. So basically, they have a variety of sensors which record a variety of growing conditions on the farm, and it uploads this data to their cloud platform. Then there are AI algorithms which analyze this data to understand the crop's health, and then this data is provided to the farmers, right? So the farm level data is then used by their prediction engine to predict the ideal growth conditions, resource requirements, including irrigation, sprays, fertilization, and other preventive measures. Farmer gets notified on his device of all these, recommendations, and then the farmer can take the appropriate action for his farm. So this is another interesting solution. So this is an AI-powered IoT platform for agricultural ecosystem. Okay. If you like such videos, please like the video, please share the video. Please subscribe to the channel by pressing the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I create new videos. See you in the next video. Bye for now.